How much should you actually spend on a bladeless ceiling fan? Some people are satisfied with the cheap ones, but others return the pricier ones. The real challenge is figuring out which ones actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1 is Mashibbo 24-inch flush mount fan. This Mashibbo 24-inch flush mount ceiling fan really caught my eye. Priced at $54.99, it's an affordable option that boasts impressive features. If you want a stylish yet functional fan, this is worth a serious look. This fan is designed to fit seamlessly into any room, from bedrooms to kitchens. The powerful DC motor gives you 30% stronger airflow than typical models, yet operates at just 30 dB, so you hardly notice it's on. Plus, with 6 speeds and a reversible motor, it keeps you cool in summer and warm in winter. The dimmable lighting function, ranging from 3000K to 6000K, lets you set the mood just right, whether you're winding down in the evening or need bright light for activities. Now, some users mentioned that the remote can be a bit tricky to use at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how intuitive it is, especially with the app control. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient fan that adds a touch of elegance to your space. Skip this one if you need something with extensive smart home integration. At this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the remote control issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Leiary 20-inch low-profile fan. Next up is the Leiary 20-inch low-profile ceiling fan, priced at $64.99. This one stood out for its sleek design and smart features. If you're looking for a fan that combines modern aesthetics with functionality, this is a solid choice. The Leiary fan features a dimmable LED light that adjusts brightness and color temperature from 3000K to 6000K, making it perfect for any room setting. The high-quality motor offers 6 wind speeds and is designed for quiet operation, so you can enjoy a comfortable environment without unnecessary noise. Plus, the app control lets you personalize settings easily, ensuring you can fine-tune your comfort without getting up. A downside some users have noted is a slight afterglow when the light is switched off. But honestly, the company is really proactive about resolving this with a free upgraded controller, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need an easy-to-operate fan with customizable lighting. Skip this one if you prefer traditional controls over smart features. For what you get, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a unique design. Product number 3, Leiary 20-inch chandelier fan. Coming in at $59.99 is the Leiary 20-inch chandelier cage ceiling fan. I love its industrial design that adds a rustic flair to any space. If you want a fan that doubles as a stylish light fixture, this one is definitely worth considering. With a brightness of 3,200 lumens, this fan is designed for both style and functionality. The remote control allows you to adjust the fan speed and timer settings easily, and the quiet motor makes it a pleasure to use in bedrooms or living areas. The cage design not only looks great, but also enhances airflow, making it effective for summer cooling and winter warmth. Some buyers pointed out that bulbs are not included, which can be a hassle if you want to customize your lighting. However, you can select bulbs that fit your aesthetic, so it gives you that creative freedom. This is perfect for you if you love unique home decor that doesn't skimp on functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward design without any added flair. Honestly, at this price, it's a steal. Now, if the lack of included bulbs in the last fan bothered you, the next product has a different take on convenience. Product number 4, Leiary caged ceiling fan. Next up is the Leiary caged ceiling fan, also priced at $59.99. This fan has a gorgeous white gold finish that I found really eye-catching. If you want something that combines modern and farmhouse styles, this one deserves your attention. The powerful copper DC motor operates at just 35 dB, ensuring that it won't disrupt your peace. Plus, it has 6 wind speed options and a reversible motor for year-round comfort. The dual controls, app, and remote let you adjust the settings with ease, and you'll appreciate that it doesn't require complex wiring for installation. However, some users have mentioned that you need to buy bulbs separately, which might be an extra cost to consider. But here's the thing. Having the choice lets you pick the perfect light for your home. This is perfect for you if you love a fan that looks good and works quietly. Skip this one if you want an all-in-one package with bulbs included. Considering its features, it's well worth the money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more character, the last one on my list might just be the fit for you. Product number 5. Leiary 20-inch Caged Ceiling Fan. Finally, we have the Leiary 20-inch Caged Ceiling Fan with light and remote, also at $59.99. This one brings an industrial chic vibe that I think a lot of people will love. If you need a fan that's both stylish and practical, you'll want to consider this. This fan has a unique design that makes it a standout piece in any room. It operates quietly while delivering powerful airflow, and you can adjust the speed and timer settings with the included remote. The installation is straightforward, so you can set it up without professional help, making it quite user-friendly. Some users did find that the assembly requires a bit of manual work, which could be a downside if you're not handy. But honestly, once you get it set up, the performance and look are worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching fan that works well. Skip this one if you're looking for a fan that's incredibly low maintenance. It's a solid value considering what you get. To wrap it up, each of these fans offers something unique, from smart features to stylish designs. Depending on your needs, any of them could be a great addition to your home. So, whether you're after efficiency, design, or smart features, these top 5 bladeless ceiling fans have got you covered. From the budget-friendly Mashibbo to the chic Leiary options, there's something for everyone. Choose the one that best fits your style and needs.